going on? It's Connor from T-sportline, coming to you from the Atlanta Install Center. Today we just finished installing the CTX off-road bumper on this customer's Cybertruck. Now this customer optioned to have Morimoto 4-banger pod lights in the fog light position, as well as a Super Winch XX12 winch. Now, this bumper is going to be great for tackling all of those off-road obstacles that you may encounter, and including all of the lighting and recovery options that you may need when you are out there on the road. And with these current options on this Cybertruck, all of our lights and winch are going to be powered by a Bluetooth remote. There's not going to be any hassle drilling through firewalls trying to get switches and buttons in to your dashboard. You just hit the button on the remote and go. This bumper is great. It can be optioned with many different winch and lighting options. If you like what you see, do check it out at tsportline.com.